Sound produced by human. Have you ever tried keeping your hand on your throat while talking? What do you feel? Correct. You feel some vibrations. Such more or less vibrations can also be felt while singing a song or even while producing humming sound. We already know that the sound is produced due to these vibrations. In the humans, sound is produced in the larynx. We can feel a hard bump when we touch our throat. It seems to move while swallowing food. This is nothing but larynx. The larynx is situated at the upper end of the windpipe. Two vocal cords are stretched across the voice box or larynx in such a way that it leaves a narrow slit between them for the passage of air. When the lungs force air through the slit, the vocal cords vibrate, producing sound. Muscles attached to the vocal cords can make the cords tight or loose. When the vocal cords are tight and thin, the type or quality of voice is different. We even know that the voices of male, female, and children are different. It is because of the differences in the length of their vocal cords. Vocal cords are nearly 20 millimeters in length in male, about 15 millimeters in female, and even smaller in children. Thus, the voice of male, female, and children has a different pitch. Let us now perform a small activity to understand how human larynx works. First, let us take two rubber strips of the same size. Place these two pieces one above the other and stretch them tightly. Now, blow air through the gap between them with your mouth. What do you observe? When air is blown through the gap between the rubber strips, a typical sound is produced. Human larynx works in a similar way. Let us now do an activity. Activity. Let us produce a sound just like a barking dog and keep our fingers on our throat. What do we notice? We notice some vibrations. Keeping the fingers on the throat, let us now produce a sound meow, meow, like a mewing cat. This time too, carefully notice the vibrations produced. What do you observe? Do you find any difference in the vibrations? Yes, both the times the vibrations produced are different. This implies that the tension on the vocal cords changes when we produce these two different sounds. Come, let us now proceed further to study about loudspeaker and how is sound produced by it.